ball got out.
What the heck? They fell.
Lex hit it.
Whoa!
Kick it.
Kick it.
Oh!
Ah!
Here it comes! Here it comes! Hold that shovel! Oh, here it comes! Lex, do you have pigtails?
Yeah.
That's a girl.
It don't recognize him from you.
Oh.
Oh, that hurt. Woo! Woo! Oh, crap. I turned Lex into a girl because I was standing in there.
Oh, Lex. Backhanded.
Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he back up.
Watch out, Patrick!
Got it.
Ooh. Patrick! Oh!
Oh,
That went right through you. Oh, no. I'm cheating. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm up.
12 seconds.
Oh, Lex, back up.
He's got to get over here, guys.
There you go. It's
There you go.
now. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, God. That just...
That was just dumb.
What did the Adventure Stone do?
Well, you might